There's something many people normally think about. When a preacher or a prophecy comes telling you just be peaceful, don't worry. Telling you that God is going to do something great. And if the word of God says that to be seen, sometimes you think that is going to happen the next second or the next day. It is not many of our thoughts, but it's our wish. That is how we naturally return to that position. Everybody wants that whatever is said to me as a promise, it should happen the next second. But God is so wise and is so powerful. Sometimes God tells us something, or He tells everyone more individually. The means that God will use to accomplish may not see them immediately. And even God sometimes doesn't tell us His ways.